In this short subject, we're going to cover making a light. This is the Maison Domino exercise. It is using ambient light only. We need to make a light, so we'll go to the starburst, go to the light tool, and then make sure we select standard light and then a target spot. Click and drag. The first click is the light, the second is the target. You notice now that the model is all black. That's what happens when you first make a light. All ambient light is lost. In order to change it, you change the position. Use the Move tool to change the location of the target as it shines on the surface or on the subject, which is the Maison Domino. If we zoom in, we can begin to see that it is all illuminated, just the subject. You can render this viewport and you can see the hot spot and the fall off and the very bright Maison Domino. Now we need to modify, so make sure that your light is selected, the target. We want shadows, so under the change properties, check the shadows light, shadows radio button. We can now move the target and view the results in terms of the location of the shadows on the simple box. Notice its shadow map, which are the simple, sort of soft, diffuse shadows. Quick and easy. Alright, we can render that viewport. Now if you're interested in ray trace shadows, which are far more accurate, change it to ray traced, and there you get very crisp shadows.